Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, I got to tell you about the fabulous, most groovy bell bottoms. Bell bottoms. Yeah! Bell bottoms, bell bottoms, bell bottoms, bell bottoms, bell bottoms. You know that make my wine dance. I wanna dance. Come on. Just what you got that bad. Bell bottoms, so good for the world that is like, oh, down on the hill, fuck the, she got that, she got that, she got that, she got that, blues exploding, she got that. I'm gonna dance. All right. I'm gonna break. I'm gonna break. I'm gonna break. Come on. I'm gonna dance. I remember 1970. I got to do it again. Come on. Yeah. Bell bottom.
Bell bottoms, bell bottoms, bell bottoms, bell bottoms, bell bottoms, bell bottoms, bell bottoms.
You should put in cut out a photo of Matt and put it in at the end.
Yeah. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
I didn't know we were doing that. You didn't say anything.
And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in bringing you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please drive home carefully and come back again soon. Good night.